In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display cards using Trello view options and switch between different layouts like table, calendar, dashboard, timeline, and map. If you've ever wanted to see your tasks in a different format instead of the default board view, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly change how your cards are displayed and choose the best view for your workflow. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, navigate to the Boards section. This is where all your personal and team boards are displayed. You'll see a list of boards you've created or joined. From here, click on the board that you want to work with. This will open the default board view, which usually displays your cards in lists arranged horizontally across the screen. Now that you're inside your board, look at the top left area of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Views. This is where Trello allows you to change how your cards are displayed. Go ahead and click on Views. When you click this, a drop-down menu will appear, showing different view options available for your board. You'll typically see options such as Table, Calendar, Dashboard, Timeline, and Map. Each of these views gives you a different perspective on your cards. For example, the Table view displays your cards in a spreadsheet-style layout, which is great if you want to sort and filter information in rows and columns. The Calendar view shows cards based on their due dates, making it perfect for tracking deadlines. The Dashboard view provides charts and visual summaries of your board's activity, which is helpful for reporting and analytics. The Timeline view lets you see tasks across a time span, ideal for project planning. And the Map view displays cards with location data on a map. To switch to any of these, simply click on the view you want. Trello will instantly change the layout and display your cards in that selected format. You can explore the features within each view depending on your needs. If you want to switch to a different layout again, just click on the Views button in the top left area once more. The same drop-down menu will appear, and you can choose another option. This makes it very easy to move between different perspectives without losing any of your data. Finally, if you want to return to the default board layout with lists and cards arranged in columns, click on Views again and select Board. This will take you back to the classic Trello board view that most users are familiar with. And that's it. That's how you display cards in Trello using different view options and switch between them whenever you need. Using these views can completely change how you manage projects and help you see your tasks in a way that fits your workflow best. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.